Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, are you planning to build a free website in 2025 but you're not sure whether to choose Blogger or Google Sites? Don't worry, you're on the right place at the right time. So, today we'll be comparing both of Blogger and Google Sites. Starting with Blogger. Blogger is basically built for blogging, it's super simple to set up, and it's just a sign in with Google and just pick a theme and start writing. It's as simple as it sounds. It has basic themes, but you can customize it with HTML, CSS if you have coding skills, and everything. And if you talk about the SEO and blogging features, so Blogger has built-in SEO settings. It lets you custom domain, set your name, which helps ranking. And about pricing, Blogger is absolutely 100% free. There is no requirement of any paymentship or any sort. You just need to log in from a Google account and also offers your Google AdSense, so you can now monetize your blog easily on blogging. If we talk about, on the other hand, about Google Sites, as I open it over here, so Google Site is a great for static websites like portfolios or business pages. It's like a drag and drop with no coding needed. And about the customization and designing of it, it has a clean template and a simple drag and drop editor, but there is limit to the design flexibility. And talking about the SEO and vlogging features, basically it lacks SEO customization as you can't add any meta descriptions, URLs, and it isn't as SEO friendly as you think it is. And about Google site, it doesn't support any AdSense, so there is no option for monetization. So in the end, if you'll ask me my final verdict, I'll say that if you're starting a blog and want to grow your website over time, definitely choose Blogger. But if you need a quick and simple website for personal or business use, definitely go for Google Sites. I hope this video was clear to you and it has helped you in any way. Thank you so much for watching it.